Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fiesta front door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit, a small flathead screwdriver, and T20 and T25 Torx drivers. Next, locate the small plastic cover behind the interior door handle. Carefully pry this cover off using your flathead screwdriver. This will reveal a T20 Torx screw, which you need to remove. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic components. Now, move to the window control area. Use a trim tool to gently pry up the entire window switch panel. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness attached to it. Look for any other visible screws, typically T20 or T25 Torx, around the door pull and along the perimeter of the panel. Some models may also have two 10mm bolts at the very bottom edge of the door panel that need to be removed. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the interior door handle cable. This usually involves pulling the cable end straight out of its housing or releasing a small clip. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame. Start at the bottom or sides, working your way around to release all the plastic retaining clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, with the door panel loose, carefully disconnect any remaining electrical connectors for components like speakers or puddle lights. Once all wiring is free, you can fully remove the panel. Before reinstallation, inspect all plastic clips on the panel and the door frame. Replace any that are broken to ensure a secure fit. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align and screws are tightened properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.